Hey there, if you're looking to register and verify your Binance account, these are the exact steps you'll need to follow in order to get started with Binance. And it takes just a few minutes in order for you to get started with your cryptocurrency journey. To get started with Binance, go to Binance.com, then click on Register. Type in your email address, then click Next. In order to confirm your email address, head over to your email inbox, copy the code, then paste the code in the verification box, and then click on Submit. Go on to set your password. Then under Referral ID, input this exclusive referral code that will give you a 20% off and a $300 sign-up in bonuses. You can copy it in the description. In order to use your Binance account, you'll need to verify your account. Typically, it will take you around 10 minutes to verify your account. To do this, you'll need a government-issued ID or passport, proof of address, a bank statement, or utility bill. Now, let's get started. Choose your country. Click Continue. Then you'll have two options. You have the option to choose video identification through the Binance app, or you can choose to proceed on your PC. I would highly recommend to use the Binance app as it's more convenient. Proceed to take your smartphone and scan the QR code and continue to download the Binance app. Open the app and go on to log into your Binance account with your credentials. Upon logging in, click on Verify Identity and choose your country. Then click on Continue. You'll proceed to enter your personal details and ensure they're compatible with your identity documents. Proceed to verify your personal details. Click on Continue. Choose the issuing country of your ID. Select the ID document that you intend to use for verification. Then, you'll need to take a picture of your ID document and make sure it's clear. You'll then proceed to do a quick video call to confirm your ID and click on Continue. Then click on Start Call. When in the call with the Binance agent, you'll have to show your ID again. Upon completion, you'll need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number by entering the code that you'll receive via a text message. Binance will proceed to ask you a couple of compliance questions, so answer them and click on Continue. You'll then need to verify your address. Enter your address and click on Continue, then choose the type of document you want to provide. Ensure your full address and your full name is on the document. Once done with that, you'll have completed the verification process. When Binance has reviewed your verification, you'll receive an email from them confirming the status of your verification.